Okay. I just got home from work, and while I was at work, I got notifications that a couple of the things may have gotten delivered to my apartment. So we're gonna go downstairs and pick up those things. Yeah, let's go. All right, so I had to wait for my battery to charge. I didn't open anything, so I wanted to open it with you guys. These are the hangers, already opened. These are the same hangers that you can get from IKEA. I actually saw these. I saw these at IKEA, and I think it was 10 yuan for 10, and I was gonna get 40 of them. Whereas these were 15 yuan for a set of 40. I don't even know how they do that, but these are not like crazy nice hangers, but they'll do. Cause the hangers I have right now in the closet, I don't know what possessed me to think it was a good idea to have metal hangers. But whenever you take something off the metal hanger, it clinks onto the other metal hangers, and it's just annoying. So I don't even care. As long as it doesn't make noise, I don't care what they are. These are the Christmas trees. I don't know what this is. It's like Christmas, like opening gifts. Oh, this is the egg container. So cute. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's just, I wish it had 12, but it's just 6. Little container for eggs. I think it's so cute. But okay, that's everything that got delivered so far. I'm going to finally, I've been waiting for the day where I can take these goddamn metal hangers out of my closet and just hear quiet. I'd rather hear this than what's in there right now. So let's go reorganize my closet. And now I cannot trust you, and I'm forced to let you go. That's what's spreading thin on us too. They just see you look. These are the hangers. Why would I get these hangers? Like, you do this. Imagine in the morning and you don't even want to be awake and you're tired and you just hear this. No. Gotta go. Now I must spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-ups, switching up. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I take you to your mama house. I'm sorry if you never doubted me, but you should have doubted. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some love. You are more than enough, enough, enough for me. Right here when you waking up. Okay, so I just finished organizing my closet. It looks way better. I don't have like a storage solution for like my pajamas and stuff, so that's where it has to go right now. Down there are all my bathing suits. This drawer has all my workout stuff, so my sports bras and my leggings, some socks, and then this one I think just has, yeah, this is like miscellaneous travel stuff or whatever. This one has my gloves, like workout gloves. There's some skirts right there that I don't have, again, a storage solution for, but that's fine. And the piece de resistance, my new hangers. I'm literally so happy about this. Never been more happy to have plastic hangers. I just finished organizing the closet and I'm hungry. So we're gonna go downstairs to this noodle place. I go there pretty often, they know me. And it's really inexpensive and it's cool, you'll see when I take you guys down there. But you like make your own noodle bowls. You can put all the vegetables you want in it, meat, noodles, like you pick your style of noodles you want, and then they boil it for you in like a broth, and it's really, really good. These are eggs, like mini quail eggs. I like these a lot, clearly. Right now I have broccoli, bok choy, cauliflower, and cabbage. And these are tofu noodles. I like these also. This is beef back here. I like these noodles. Yao. Sorry. Mm-hmm. 大宝，什么？哦，好，谢谢。Okay, I'm balancing you guys on a water bottle, so hopefully it doesn't fall. I got bok choy, I got cauliflower, broccoli, I got some tofu, little like cubes. I got potatoes. What else did I get? Potatoes. I got beef. I got the like little, I think they're quail eggs. Quail eggs. I added peanut sauce into it. The broth is like a neutral broth, is not spicy. I added, I think this is parsley, and then that pack of noodles you guys saw me grab. This is the same thing I get every single time, like the same combination, more or less. Oh, also I got the tofu noodles. These like, I think they're called tofu noodles. I don't know what else they would be called. Also, I told you guys, they know me down there, so now the owner, I think the shop owner, he gives me like a free drink every time I come into. This is like this is similar to like Brisk iced tea. It's okay. I just take it because he's being nice. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my dinner, and if I don't check in with you guys later on, I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Okay, bye.